Hi, I'm Jeff Gibson, President and CEO of GFE Roofing. We're doing this video to introduce who GFE Roofing is and what we're all about. And we thought, what better project, what better place to take you than Concord Church here in Dallas, Texas, where we not only did TPO roof, as a matter of fact, over 1,000 squares of TPO, but we also did over 400 squares of shingle. So this project is perfect. It's the perfect project to show you how big of a project we can do and what types of products we can do. So here we are, Concord Church, Dallas, Texas, coming to you live. So who is GFE Roofing? Well, GFE Roofing is actually two companies that have merged. The first being Good Faith Energy, which if you're not already aware, Good Faith Energy is the 300-pound gorilla in the solar space, hence the GFE in the roofing. So the second part of GFE Roofing was my former company called Copper Tree Roofing. And we met on this solar job up in Frisco, and we'll have another video on that. But it's a wonderful story. And my customer, who had originally, I had dealt with them for months and months, dealing with a large loss insurance claim on their slate roof. And so we supplemented, we did all the stuff that we had to do to get the insurance ultimately to approve the claim. And along the way, the customer started talking and wanting to do a solar Tesla roof. Well, so that's how Good Faith Energy kind of came into my life. And lo and behold, I met Mo and Michael, the owners of Good Faith Energy. And boy, we really hit it off right off the bat. It's a great story because customer decided to do the slate roof, which was the Copper Tree Roofing part. But then they also decided to add 140 panels to their roof itself. So it really gave us an opportunity to work together for the first time, see the give and take of a new relationship, who we are, how we work, and most importantly, what our ethics are, and do we trust each other? Because there was a lot of money in this project. Well, lo and behold, it all worked out, and God had a plan. And so that's how GFE Roofing came about. So there's the GFE Roofing story. And here we are on this project at Concord Church, and certainly it has a story. After 1,000 squares of TPO roofing, over 400 squares of shingle, 3-year battle with the insurance company, obviously there's a story here too. And you as a customer, you have a story. So your story includes, how did you find GFE Roofing? Was it through the solar with Good Faith Energy? Did you meet us one before the other or both at the same time? Does your story include an insurance claim? Because if it does, I guarantee you're going to have a story involved with that. So what's most important to us as GFE Roofing is that your story has a happy ending. We want to earn your business. We want to earn your referral by ultimately exceeding our customers' expectations. We want to make sure that you trust us. Ultimately, that's what it boils down to. Do you trust your contractor? Do you trust who's on your property? Do you trust who is working on your largest investment, your home, your business? Ultimately, that's what we're trying to do, is make sure that you refer us to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues. So GFE Roofing is built on trust. And that's why our motto is building trust one roof at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again for having an interest in GFE Roofing. As President and CEO of GFE Roofing, we look forward to hearing from you, and we're going to do everything we can do to make sure your story has a happy ending.